Hard Chrome Solutions, your trusted partner for Davis Standard Extruder gearbox repairs. With over 100 years of experience and a global reach, we specialize in in-house gear manufacturing, using only the highest quality OEM parts from top brands like FAG, SKF, INA, and Timken. Our 24/7 emergency service, worldwide pickups and deliveries, and 60-plus years of engineering expertise allow us to provide cost-effective and efficient repairs to your gearbox. Our state-of-the-art tools and adherence to ISO and OEM requirements ensure that every repair meets the original specifications and provides improved performance and longevity. Our 60,000 square foot facility, known as the most extensive milling and turning center in the Northeast, uses the latest gear cutting, grinding, and chrome plating technology. Trust us for exceptional results and a 36-month guarantee from the date of repair. Our century-long reputation for quality speaks for itself. Contact us at 732-895-3225 or visit hardchromesolution.com to experience the difference in your gearbox repairs. With locations in Texas, Chicago, Nevada, Florida, and globally, we are your trusted partner for all your Davis Standard gearbox needs.